Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and today I want to show you how we can use the new brow kit that is limited edition from Mary Kay. This is amazing. There is a brush with 2 angled ends on it, a little spoolie, and then there's 3 different color cosmetics here. The first is a pomade, so it's actually kind of sticky or creamy. This is going to go right on our eyebrow. So I like to start with kind of a bit of a line and then just along the shape of the brow. Some basic brow tips for you. If you are looking at yourself and you draw a line from your inner corner, outer nostril, inner corner of your eye, that is where your eyebrow should start. Outer nostril, outer corner of your eye, that is where your brow should end. And if you are looking straight ahead and that line goes right through the middle of your pupil, that is where your arch should be of your brow. So if you have brows that you need to fill in a little bit or extend a little bit, that is the basic rules of thumb for your brow shape. Look at that. That's amazing. So now I'm going to take the other, there we go, the other part of that. And the middle color, I'm using brunette here because there's 3 different colors, choices. But this is a powder in the middle. And this is just going to fill in along the middle. So let's do the other eye now. That makes such a difference. Wow. And you can point that angle however it works for you, if you want it up and down, or if you want it on an angle towards the outside. You make it work for you however you feel comfortable. One of the things that is nice is that kind of fluffy, pointy look is out for brows, and what is in is a much more natural appearance. So I have pretty decent brows, but everybody's is different. The other thing with brows is that they are not sisters. They will never look the same. They are cousins. One is gonna always look better than the other. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can find that spoolie and just use it to brush the brows and to blend those colors together. Just like that. And then this is super fun. This highlighter at the end, I'm just going to use my finger with that. And that is just going to deposit some color right underneath the brow bone. And that is it for our brow kit today. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me show you the different colors. We have brunette, dark brunette, and blonde. Thanks so much. Take care.